Welcome to my channel Maths Mama. Today we will have a discussion on remainder theorem. Let's see how to answer the questions within few seconds. First question is 2 to the power 5 divided by 3. So how to solve it? We can say 2 to the power 5 is equal to 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 1 and divided by 3. 2 to the power 2 plus 1 is equal to 5, because you know a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power n into a to the power n. We apply this law here. So this is 2 to the power 2 means 4 into 2 divided by 3. Now we can say if 4 is divided by 3, we will get the remainder 1, and here is also 1, and if 2 is divided by 3, we will get the remainder 2. So the answer is 2. This is easier one. Then if the question is like this, if it is 2 to the power 10 divided by 7, okay, then what to do? Then here it is 2 to the power 10, we can write 2 to the power 2? No, because 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4 and 4 can't be divided with 7. So we select 2 to the power 3 here into 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9, but here it is written 10. So we'll write here 2 to the power 1 divided by 7. Then this is equal to, we can say 8 into 8 into 8 into 2 divided by 7 exactly. Now if we divide 8 by 7, we will get the remainder 1 in multiply. Again here 1 and here also 1. 2 by 7, this is 2. So the answer is 2. Okay. If the question is like this, 2 to the power 10 divided by 9, then how to solve it? It is 2 to the power 10, so we'll write, because 2 into 2 into 2 is the 8, but here it is 9, so we'll write here 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, here it is written 10, so this is 2 to the power 2 exactly divided by 9. So we can say 2 to the power 4 is the 16 into 16 into 4 divided by 9. Now you can divide it easily. 16 divided by 9. So it is, the remainder is here 7. 9 into 1 is the 9 and the remainder is 7. Here it is, remainder is 7, and here it is 4 by 9 is not possible to divide, so 4 is the remainder. Now see here, in the next step we will continue. This is 7 into 7 is the 49. So 49 into 4 divided by 9. Okay. And now here if we divide, we will get the remainder. 49 by 9 is equal to 4 is the remainder into 4 divided by 9. So 16 by 9, and the ultimate remainder is here 7. If we divide 16 by 9, we will get the remainder 7. Now if the question is like this, 23 to the power 36 divided by 22 and 29 to the power 77 divided by 28, then what is the remainder of question 1 and question 2? Here is a tricks. We can say it the form is like this: a to the power n divided by b. Here a is the 23, b is the 22, and n is the power, that is equal to 36. So we can say here a minus b is equal to 1, because the difference in between a and b is 1, and a is greater than b and a is greater than b. If this is the condition, a is greater than b and difference in between is 1. So in this case the remainder is always 1. Remainder is always 1. The power is not matter, because here the power is 36, even power is not matter. Whether it is even or odd, the power is not a matter. Only you see the difference. If the difference is 1 and a is greater than b, so the answer is 1. So what is the answer here? Difference is 1 and a is greater than b. So power is even or odd is not the matter. Just put the answer 1. Just you can put this answer is equal to 1. Now, but if this condition reverse, if a is less than b, then see the condition. Question 3. Here we can say, suppose 35 to the power 16 divided by 36, and the another question is like this: say 87 to the power 67 divided by 88 in the two question. Here the form is, for the both the question, form is a to the power n divided by b. Here the difference in between a and b is also 1. Difference between a and b is 1. But what happened here? B is greater than a. In previous case, a is greater than b here, and here b is greater than a. That means this is 35 and this is 36. So b is greater than a. In this case, power plays the important role. Here power is 16 and here power is 67. So here is the condition. If for this case, if the power is even, if the power is even, so we can say the answer is 1. If the power is even, answer is 1. Condition B, if the power is odd, then the remainder is, what is the remainder? If the power is even, the remainder is 1. But if the power is odd, the remainder is a. The remainder is a. A means, tell me, a means, this is a. This is a, no? So the answer is a if the power is odd. Here in this case, power is 16, that means power is even, so its answer is 1. Here a is less than b and the difference in between them is 1, but the power is 1 here. Sorry, the power is even here. So we can say the answer is 1. But for this case, here a is less than b, but the power is odd here. So the answer is the a itself. That means the remainder is 87. So we can say in this case the remainder is 87. For this case the remainder is 1. If the question is like this, 5 to the power 40 divided by 24. Find the remainder. Find remainder. What is the remainder? If this is the question. This is 5 to the power 40 divided by 24. So we will write this as 5 to the power 2 into 20 divided by 24. And we can say 5 to the power 2 is the 25. Then 25 to the power 20 divided by 24. Then as per the rule, we can say this is A is greater than B, and the difference is 1. So the answer is 1. Power is not the matter. Very easy. We can solve this question within seconds. And if the question is like this, little harder, 37, say the 37 to the power 37 plus 4 by 36. What is its answer? Very easy. This is 37. So we can say like this, 37 to the power 37 by 36 plus 4 by 36. Then we can say this is 37 and this is 36. Difference is 1. So power is not the matter, and A is greater than B. So here it is 1, and it is 4 by 36. So 4 cannot be divided by 36. So remainder is here 4. So answer is 5. This is that. Now if the question is like this, 37 to the power 37 minus 4 by 36. Here it is minus 4. So what to do? This is the question. So write it here like 37 to the power 37 divided by 36 minus 4 by 36. So we can say this is the 1, 37 by 36, the difference is 1 and A is greater than B. So we can say this is 1, the remainder is 1 here, and the remainder is minus 4, because 4 by 36 is not the divisible. We cannot divide 4 by 36. So 4 is the remainder here. So ultimately the remainder is here minus 3. But minus 3 remainder, is it possible? No. So what to do? Then we will divide. Then we can say what to do. The remainder is not minus 3. So we can say the remainder is, in this case, the remainder is, here it is 36. So just subtract 36 minus 3 is equal to 33. This is the answer. This is the remainder is the 33. If the minus is the answer, so this is 36, B is 36, so B 36, so 36 minus 3, which is equal to 33. This is answer then. Now if the question is like this, find the remainder. Find the remainder of 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial plus up to say 100 factorial divided by say 12. So how to solve it? What is its answer? What is the remainder? What is its remainder? Then we can say this is 1 factorial. So 1, 2 factorial is 2 into 1, because we know 2 factorial is 2 into 1 and 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. We know 4 factorial is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Like this way, 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Also we can say that 12 is there. So here 12 is just, we can divide this 4 factorial, which is equal to 24. We can divide by 12, then remainder is 0. If we divide the 4 factorial, if we 4 factorial divided by 12 is the remainder is 0. So here is the 4 factorial. Here is the 4 factorial. The remainder is 0 here. And afterwards there is 5 factorial, 6 factorials everywhere. We know that 5 factorial is equal to 5 into 4 factorial. Again 6 factorial. 6 is equal to 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. So 4 factorial is 0. So 5 factorial is 0. 6 factorial is also 0. So we can say all are 0. Here all are 0 from here to 100 factorial. 4 factorial to 100 factorial all as 0. So only here the answer is, what is the remainder here then? This is only remain here, no? 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial. So we can say here 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial. So which is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 6, which is equal to 9. This is the remainder.